Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day today. You might be wondering why Audacity is running, but just to give you a quick update, I've decided to improve the way that we are going to record audio for these videos. So as you can see right here, instead of the microphone being on, it's just the sound. And that way I can mix the sounds a lot better. And I ran into that problem last video, so I am deeply sorry about that. From now on, since this is a channel of improvement, we shall improve. So I am super excited about that. You may also notice that timing is a little bit better. At least I hope so. But that's another thing that I've made an improvement on. I've decided to take notes. Right. As you can see, lots of improvements, and that's what this channel is all about. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, this is just a random JavaScript list, and it's for the website. I've made tons of improvements to this website over the past week, and I'm excited to show them to you. The main thing being is that this website is highly automated. What I mean by that is that it's very dynamic. On top of like adding content right here and right there, and the links actually work. I've created a project section and a blog post section. And both of these sections are really cool because I can click this and it's not like /project /project_dimswit. It's got some arguments right here. That's because JavaScript has glorifyingly loaded them in. It's the same thing with this YouTube dev blog, although there's the same thing. How about as a little demo, I'll show you how I do that. So if I want to add another project, I would just paste the previous project and then edit the stuff inside of it. This is the title, so I would say like JoJo. And then this one's like a flavor text, I guess, like what you use for describing it. And this right here is really interesting. They call it a SKU. It's basically the key, an identification key for this project. So I would probably say JoJo's Proj, something like that. And what we'll do is that we'll go into our projects folder right here, and then I could copy the example template and then paste that over and rename it to JoJo's Proj. And now we're all set. So if we save this, we can view this file. If we go back to the home page, we can view this also. JoJo's flavor text. This is just the sample template that I have, and that's why it's an example. So I can easily put in pictures right here, and then add the description and stuff, links and such. If you notice, it also showed up right here. So yes, this footer is actually part of that. And the same thing goes with the blog posts. This picture is part of a list. If I look for this list, it's right here. And these are just pictures I got off of Google Images. And this, actually you don't need this. Yeah, not for now. But these are all just data items that I just freely load in, and it makes this website very dynamic and very easy to update without that much file size. And the reason I did that is because this website is going to need to be very portable. And what I mean by that is that it needs to be able to sit in I don't know, localhost /boobos /Amazon /recordings /index. This website needs to be able to use itself without it being the root, if you know what I mean by that. The root of the website has to only interact with the root. So because of this, these portable design decisions have been made. Okay, so now we're going to get to the fun part. This is where we're going to publish the website. And I'm going to do that is using this platform called GitHub Pages. So if I go onto GitHub, I should be logged in as myself. Yeah. Hawsoo. I've already made a repo for this. It's going to be the portfolio repo. And what I have to do is I have to get it in to my computer to use it if you've ever used GitHub. It's a really valuable tool, by the way. It has this program called GitHub IO, or no, it's called GitHub Pages, and basically what you can do with it is that you can host front-end websites, which is exactly what this website is, by the way. That's the reason why it was designed that way, and you can do it all for free, and you get to do whatever you want with it. It's basically a web app for whatever you want. So as you can see, I pulled the latest commit, which was the initial one. And what I want to do is I want to create a new branch. So I'm going to make a new branch. It's going to be called GH Pages, right? I think this is it. Oh, let's see. Bootstrap does this. You guys should know Bootstrap, I think. I would think so. So yeah, Bootstrap does this, and just gonna take a peek of how they did it. GH Pages, yep, exactly that. So it looks good. Alright, so what we should be able to do is just, oh, that was weird, click checkout, and you should be able to just click checkout branch, and then you'll see GH Pages right there. You just click OK, and now it's checked out. What you might want to do is click fetch. Sometimes it'll go out of sync and you can't see what happens, so you have to click fetch to make sure that the remote is synced up. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go to this file in the Explorer, and we'll see right here it's in repositories and all that junk and stuff. And then what we're going to do is just close out of this, and we're going to go to that same folder that we just opened that in. So for me that would be projects, this one, right. I'm just going to copy all this, repositories, portfolio website, Hawsoo, and I'm just going to paste all this in here. And I should be able to open the website back up in the same place, so I'm going to try that right now. Website. Open, and I believe that worked. So let's just try running it, just for goodness sake. And from now on we're just going to open the website right here, because that's best practices, and looks great. Just going to test this out. About contact. I should probably put my email in there, but that'll be later. JoJo's still there. We should probably take out JoJo's. Yeah. So let me do that right now. JoJo's no more. Right-o. There's this cartoon character when I was younger that would always say, "Right-o, back-o," and I would hate him for that. And then my brother really liked him, so he'd just keep saying it to me. I felt like it was the dumbest thing on earth. So, now that that's updated, just press F5. We can commit these changes. Right-o, back-o. Ironically, that's on the web page, if you noticed. And we're just going to commit all these files. I know that's a lot of files, but initial, ooh, not good. Oh, initial commit for publish in GH pages. Just gonna commit that and then push it. I'm not gonna commit push it to master, so I'm only gonna push it to GH pages. And it should work once this is done. Okay. Right out. Absolutely sensational. It worked. Well, I guess we don't know if it will actually work, but should be good now. And then what we can do is we'll just go to the website, Hawsoo, portfolio. That should work. Yeah, there we go. It did work. And because this is a GitHub project, and it's hosted on the front end, this htaccess file should work. All it is an error document. So I'm going to try and do that. Yes, it worked. It actually did. Hey, so it looks like we've encountered a little problem. I really like this 404 page for some reason. Maybe because it sounds like me. I guess so. But, right. Our website's published. You can view this. You can legitimately view this on a smartphone as well, except it would look a little different. It would look like, this. Oh, you guys see that picture really well. Lots of fun. Lots of improvement. I'm pretty excited for next week, and I hope you enjoyed this. Next up, I'm gonna have to fix this search thing here and try and search for something. I mean, like, I have the search page set up, but as you can see, it's like the body of it is just a copy of the 404 page. Yeah. I really like query strings. So, wait. In progress.